Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, as the title says, I am going to show you how to filter data from a range in Excel using the OR operator. I was breaking my head over this for a while and I came across a few videos explaining how to filter using if. Like for example, if the salesperson is named John and his sales are over 500 and he is in region 3. That's just an example, but that wasn't cutting it for me. I needed to find rows that met conditions on different columns, and I'll show you that just right now. Let me unfreeze these, unhide these rows. So this is where you, in these highlighted cells, is where you enter your criteria, and the values are here. This is just a plain example, a similar example to what I was needing. Okay, so numbers on, I was needing numbers on a different column. So in this case, it's a yes or a no, whether this person has paid rent or not for these 3 months. Okay, this is where you put your data. That's where we're pulling the data from, and this is where we are setting our criteria. Now here's the important bit. If you set, for example, January to no, and then when you're going down and across and you're saying, and you're entering another criteria, you're saying or. Once you go down, you're saying or, and then or this way. So in other words, you're saying who has not paid rent in January or February or March. Simple enough. So we go on to the data tab, filter, sort and filter, copy to another location, and the range is this here. Hit enter. Your criteria range should include the titles, and where you're going to copy is your destination. Click on the first cell, enter, and click OK. See, and I had previously set some highlighting rules where the yes, where the no values are highlighted in red. That rule expands all the way to include this small table here, and on the yellow, I didn't. It's only limited to this region here. Okay, because I'm only worried about these guys paying or not paying. Actually, on this side, I don't care about the yes. It's a blacklist basically, or just to call them up. Salutations to Mr. David Connolly from speedcodingacademy.com. I hope everybody that likes PHP goes in there, have a look at his videos. He's a smart man. So is this other one here. Never seen him online, but he's got this thing with he's got this platform. It's called Radicore. If he's still alive, well, salutations to him too. Alright, so this is getting pretty long. Let me change a value here. For example, if this guy has already paid, we'll put him to yes, and we're gonna run our, so in here we have 5 rows, so this one is going to disappear because he's paid, right? So we run this again, copy, and you see, there you go.